Hi everybody, tonight we're actually going to have breakfast for dinner. I'm trying out this new omelet pan I paid $26 for on Amazon. We'll see how it is in just a moment. So I'm preheating the pan. I have some turkey sausage, which is 80 calories for 2 links. I'm going to put them into the microwave to cook them. I'm going to use a little bit of Evu, even though it is nonstick, it's new pan, don't know how it works exactly. And I am making an omelet. I am making a 3-egg omelet for two, so that's actually 6 eggs. I got this new fancy little whisk type thing. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Don't know if I would really go out of my way to pay something, anything special for it, but I added a little bit of almond milk to the eggs. I don't know capacity of this pan, so we shall see in a moment as I'm going to pour my eggs into here. It looks like it's going to hold all 6 eggs. No problem. I have some cheese and a little bit of spinach that I'm going to add for my vegetables. Now I know the price of eggs these days, but still at like $6 for a dozen, using half a dozen, it's still kind of a bargain. Remember, 90 calories for an egg. Super, super healthy. Each egg has about 9 grams of protein in it. So all in all, it's a pretty good deal. Yes, like I said, the breakfast sausages are going to be 2 links, 80 calories. And yes, there's the cheese, which is going to add a little bit more calories, but still a very low calorie, very healthy um, food to make. And again, sometimes you just want to have breakfast for dinner, kind of like an upside down day, you know how that goes. So I'm just going to wait for these eggs to firm up a bit. And then supposedly when the eggs are cooked, you flip this over and we'll see how it works. Your guess is as good as mine. I know sometimes I make it in a regular skillet, works really well, but usually when something this big, when you flip it, it does break. So again, we'll see. Eggs are about the only thing that I do add a little bit of salt to. So we're going to add just a little bit of light salt to it because we do want it to have some taste. The eggs are cooking along nicely. Let me pop some light on here so we can see it a little bit better. And it looks like it's cooking along. Like I said, never use this pan. We'll see how it does. Looks like it's cooking up. Let's see if it's actually non-stick. It is sticking a little bit, but again, first time using this pan. I did, like the directions said, I did go ahead and season it with some olive oil. Yeah, the eggs still have to cook a little bit. Let me just turn it up a smidgen. Don't like to cook it too high. You're not supposed to use a very high heat, although there is no butter, and I am using some uh, olive oil, which can handle the heat. So let's see, it's almost there, almost ready to put my stuff on it. Don't want to do it too soon and flip it too soon because that'll make a mess. I'm not even sure which side I'm supposed to flip. I guess it's going to be this side. I guess you could do either side, but it would make sense to have the handle on the bottom. So let's get these cooked a little bit more. I happen to get cheese at the grocery store. It was buy one, get one free. I have sliced cheese, but since the cheese was on sale for half price, I decided to go along with this. And I have a little bit of sharp cheddar, and I also have some cheddar jack, which is shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses mixed together. So again, we'll see how this omelet comes out. Still got a bit to cook. I guess this pan doesn't heat up quite as quickly as Le Creuset does, but they don't make a pan like this. So again, we'll see how it all goes. Probably could have used a bigger burner, but hey, live and learn. Like I said, I'm also reviewing the pan. I paid $26 for it on Amazon. I just got it in yesterday, so we'll see how it does. I figure we got about 2 more minutes to flip it. So hang in with me. Again, eggs, cardiologists recommend eggs. It's a very healthy food for you. Um, some people say, oh, but the yolk has cholesterol, but it's not the type of, it's the good cholesterol. So, that's a plus. There are not too many cardiologists that don't recommend eating eggs. So that goes. Let's see if this is sticking. It's still got a bit to cook, so it's a little hard to tell. I have a feeling my photo is going to be a little bit sloppy with this, but again, only $26, so worth a try. It is taking a long time to cook, though. I'm not used to that. Again, you know me, I like my meals in 10 minutes or so, and done a little bit of prep, but, not too bad. Let's throw a little bit of spinach in here. I cooked it a bit ago, so it's a little dry, but it'll moisten up in the omelet. We all know spinach is super healthy for you. Throw in some cheese. I kind of like cheddar in my omelet a little bit more than some people, so there's a little bit more cheddar than the cheddar jack, but you be you, I'll be me. Again, no judgment here, so this looks about good. Flip this over. They say it's supposed to have handles that don't get hot, but we'll see. Wasn't hot. That was good, and I did see that the eggs kind of flipped nicely, so I'll just give it another minute or two to finish off. Turn it down a little bit, and I'll show you the end product in a moment. Enjoy. Hopefully everybody likes breakfast for dinner the way I like it sometimes.